why is it got to waggle like a dog's tail? Okay, so Andrew, you've seen the picture. Oh wait, okay, I have the
right there.
Yes, you need a joystick.
I do.
You do. Now, hang on. It's not attached to anything, but it doesn't matter. Now, Andrew, I gotta sit down. So, first and foremost, you see there's a picture there, right there. So, can you see him? Can you see me?
Yeah.
Is there a space between us, kind of?
No.
No space?
No.
Okay, hang on.
Am I not supposed to be turned, but
Well, you're supposed to look it that way. We're doing it opposite.
opposite?
We can't do it on that side of the room. Okay, is there a space between us now, kind of?
A bit, not really. No, you're still kind of connected.
Yeah, Richard, can you carefully, can you stand up and slide back just a little wee bit?
Back a little.
Huh?
I slid back. There's space between us now.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. Now, how is this box visible in the bottom of the picture?
Yep.
The front of it too?
Most of it.
Hang on.
There's no
No.
computer there.
Huh?
Looks good.
There's no computer there.
No, I know. That's all I could do.
I'm supposed to stare off into that.
Maybe look at that thing. And holding the joystick with some sort of crazed gaming look. I can only do this phone under this chin. Now, hang on. Oh, here's the picture. I'm going to be holding it. Damn, this phone just doesn't want to. This is the pain we had to go through before, Andrew. Hang on. Okay, so open it. Oh, shit. Okay, Andrew, be ready on the camera. Okay. How did I used to do this? Not on my ear, but I don't care. Okay, so Andrew, you've seen the picture, right?
Yes.
So, how does this look? Is Richard looking crazed with a joystick in his hand?
Yes.
Can you see the joystick?
Yeah.
Can you see the magazine?
Yeah.
Let me just look at this again. And I'm kind of, all right. It's a fire. Again, do a bunch. Okay, now for fun. Hello.
Hi.
Shoot a couple more. Okay, now reach down, tap the phone. Yes?
Yep.
Is this happening? Okay, one more thing. Come in here. Don't knock anything down. Oh, maybe I can do it. Maybe I can do it. Oh, yeah. This phone is driving me crazy. Gotta make sure my pom-pom hangs nice. All right, and you can see the front of the magazine, okay?
Yep.
Oh, you know what? And look, Richard, there. The Bradley Builders bulletin board system.
Yeah.
Look at that. Okay. Okay, do a couple on the phone.
Okay.
Do a couple more. All right, now, Richard, look over at the camera. Yeah, just a second. Damn. Just look at the camera. Okay. Do one more. Oh, damn. One more on that, and then a couple on the. Do one more. Okay, on the phone. You're shaking it like a chicken. Just tap it. You're shaking it like a chicken. Hold on. Grab it with your one hand. Grab it, hold it, just touch it. Okay, you think you got some?
Yep.
Okay. All right, hang up phone. Take off hat. Oh, yeah. Ow. Just a second here. Now, I will just quickly have a look. Just a second.
Yeah.
Let me look again. Okay. Hello, Andrew. Just one last moment. Okay. For one thing, we're almost there. The front of this box is not visible. And now it is. Okay. And I've got to lift my head more because of the hat thing.
The flash on.
Huh?
Flash it.
Because it doesn't. With all the light in here,
Okay.
the flash is not going to do it. Okay. And so, is there separation?
No.
No separation?
No.
A little separation?
It's either.
Not much.
Can you see the joystick?
A bit, yeah.
Going back to as far as I can go.
Hello? How are we doing on separation? Okay, here's what I think. I think the reason I had my head down is of this damn phone. So I think I'll just hold it like this.
Yeah, do that.
And then try. Maybe I'll just. I can't really hold the magazine like I'm reading it. Maybe I'll just hold
But in
it.
the picture, you're not holding the phone.
But I've got it under my. I can't do it with. Like this.
Just
So it's as good as it gets, I think. So Andrew, how is that on positioning? Or maybe, hang on. Maybe I'll hold it with this hand. Hold the phone like this. Okay. And then I'm going to look. So you can see my face better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Andrew, so Richard, do the crazed gamer look at whatever. I'll look over here like I'm looking at something and talking on the phone. Okay. Whenever you're ready. Andrew. Okay. Do some on the phone. Don't knock it like a chicken. One sec. Oh.
How am I looking?
Okay. So look, do the crazed gamer look. Okay. So I'm on the phone. Just a sec. Okay. Now look at the camera, Richard. Look at the camera. Okay. Do a couple on the phone. Okay. Now one last thing. Forgot. So look at the phone. Look at the camera with this hat. Okay. So, and then we'll be done. Okay. So look at the camera. Okay. Do some on the phone. Okay. And that, have a look, but that should be it. That, for those that don't know, we're recreating the cover of the TPUG Magazine from December 1984. Let's see here. Just zoom in. We'll look at the phone. All right. And that is a wrap. Shaboom.